today I want to try Donut Glaze Donut Nails, nails. I don't know, I'm just super into donuts stuff right now. I mean, look, I bought this super cute keychain that's a donut. This manicure is usually done with gel, but I don't want to use gel. And also you use chrome powder, but I don't have any chrome powder. Why don't we go to my makeup drawer and look for some eyeshadow and use that instead. Oh look, a Krabby Patty! You'll probably need that Krabby Patty for this video. Oh. Maybe I should have tidied this up before filming. I probably won't even make it in the shot. So I have this Profusion makeup palette. I'm looking for white, and here's a white right here. I used that for nail art last video. That might work. Let's take that one. Profusion white right here. I'm gonna take that one. I think we got the eyeshadow again. I kind of regret that. That was kind of off. Alright, with that, we have all heading. Let's go. We got what we need. We got all the supplies.
Remove my current manicure and I'm all ready to do some donut nails. So I went ahead and grabbed some white nail polish, started painting them, put my eyeshadow, and then I thought to myself, wait a minute, this doesn't look like glazed donut nails. These look like frosted donut nails. And frosting is not glaze, and glaze is not icing. So I had to start over. Me heading for that clear glazy look, I grabbed one of my favorite thing in my nail arsenal, which is Beetle's fake nail tips. It's important that you find the right size fake nail, because if you put the wrong one on, they just pop off right away. And then I'm gonna go ahead and file that little duder off, and we're ready. So, well, actually not ready. I gotta prep my nails. What am I talking about? Let me grab this Blue Cross cuticle remover. I gotta remove my cuticles just because I feel like they're a little overgrown. So I'm just gonna grab that, put that around my cuticles, like the top of my nails. I don't know what to call it, okay? And then I grab my metal cuticle pusher, which I suggest you be very, very gentle because these things can be very harsh. I went ahead and just gently pushed back my cuticle. And then I grabbed that little Sharpie. It's not sharp at all. What am I saying? Oh my goodness. No, it's blunt. The little blunt little end thingy. And I kind of just like, you know, remove the rest of the cuticle. And then I grabbed some white distilled vinegar. And this is also like, what do you call it? It dehydrates the nail bed and gets it ready. So I went ahead and wiped it off with a lint-free cloth. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite things to get at Dollar Tree, which is this brush on nail glue. Oh my goodness. Love this stuff to put on my fake nails. And then I'm going to go ahead and just pop that fake nail right on. Have you ever noticed that there's 3 different names for the sugar that we put on baked goods? Applying these fake nails is pretty straightforward unless you have a giant thumb fake nail sitting next to you and you almost put it on your nail even though it doesn't fit and you almost screw it up. So I applied my fake nails and now we have to get like the glazy effect. So I'm grabbing some eyeshadow, but first we gotta apply the eyeshadow with something. So I'm using base coat. Most people use top coat, but all of my top coats are super fast drying. So that's the eggs could dry way too fast for me even with eyeshadow on there. So I waited for the base coat to be just a little tacky and then I rubbed the eyeshadow onto the tacky base coat. I noticed when you're using this eyeshadow technique that you gotta work really fast. I can only do about 1 to maybe 2 nails at a time because the base color, or in this case the base coat, dries very quickly and you gotta be able to rub it into that tacky layer. But after I rub it into the tacky layer, you can just wash the eyeshadow off your skin with just some water. I tried to, but then it stuck to the cuticle oil that was on my skin. Put some top coat on. I usually put 2 coats of top coat on my manicures just because it makes them last a lot longer. As I professionally apply this top coat, I would like to share with you, I have no idea what the Met Gala is. I think it's about certain clothing or something that goes with a theme, but I gotta say the only videos that come up about the Met Gala in my feed is like Met Gala disappointed me. It's always the same title about the Met Gala. I guess I'm not missing out on anything, but please stay tuned so you don't miss out on the grand reveal.
If you ever feel late to a trend, you don't have to worry because a queen like you is never late. Everyone else is simply early. Have you ever went to Walmart or Dollar Tree and wanted to know what drugstore nail polishes you should buy? Well, click right here and I'll help you with that task.